This is Melissa and I's DIY. Hope you guys enjoy it.
I believe I got all the right parts here. Okay, so what we're going to do is take all these parts and make a sprinkler. So here we go. So these four parts right here are the legs of the sprinkler. So we need to put caps on them. I know this is kind of boring. I'll do some fancy editing here. Okay. Four legs. Take the two short pipes. And make sure this one points up. Again, make sure this is flat. These two need to be flat. Insert here. There we go. Now, all right, so this is the part where you get to figure out how long you want your sprinkler to stand up. We do have a lot of weeds out in our pastures, and sometimes you need your sprinkler head a little higher than low to the ground. It's one of the reasons why I make my sprinklers myself. You know, I can go to Walmart or Home Depot and get those pre-made sprinklers and a couple bucks. But I did that for a while, and they tend to break. You have cows out in the pasture, they have a tendency to step on them, and once they break, you just have to throw them away and get new ones. These I can fix and replace parts on it as needed if they break, and then I can make it to the size that I need and want for different parts of our pastures. Some parts of our pastures are very flat, and some parts of our pasture is very hilly, so you kind of need a little height. So, and that's why these legs are so long as they are. Having them long makes it more stable, and I can actually pull on the hose I'm in the field and move it along, and it'll go over rocks and kind of go up hills and stuff and won't tip over. So it's very stable, and that's kind of what I want. So this is going to go in our wooded area of our ranch or our pasture. So I wanted it, you know, decent size, maybe 3 feet high off the ground. So put it down, kind of get a good idea where I want to cut it. So right there. This thing wasn't cheap, but it's worth every penny. It's real nice when you're out in the middle of the field and you have to get down in the dirt and see it pop all the way open. You can just cut a pipe as needed. It doesn't have to be dug all the way up or have to be on a workbench. coupler. $5 at Home Depot. Low flow, really good sprinklers here. It's a Rainbird. And then you just thread this in. There you go. A handy dandy sprinkler. Didn't come up with this design. This is not original Rob Key sprinkler. I found it on YouTube. Some guy was talking about making his own sprinklers out of PVC pipe, and that's how I got it. Anyway, it works pretty well for me. Maybe it'll work well for you, or just might find it interesting. I will show these things in action here pretty quick. I'll show you me moving the water around throughout our property. I know I've been kind of lagging on my postings, but getting into irrigation season is quite busy, and that's why. So I will see you guys soon. Hope you guys have a great day. Anyway, go out and make some sprinklers. Yeah! Have a great day. Explain to people what you're doing.
I am trying to open this hardware mesh so that I can make a screen for my new chicken coop scoop.
Say that 3 times fast.
Chicken coop scoop. And I'm trying not to cut myself.
You should be wearing gloves.
That's true. Okay, so we need a piece that's big enough for this. It's pretty good. So I know where it goes. Needs to be cut. I don't know about these scissors.
Okay. Put it on.
Attachment, but
Now, was that a lot quicker than the
much quicker.
scissors?
Much better. Okay, now
Release it with this right here.
okay.
Right tool for the right job.
All right, now we just need to wire this sucker on. And we'll be able to get the debris and poo and stuff, but save the sand, because the sand will just filter right through. And it's a much bigger scoop than what we're using currently, so it'll get the job done faster.
How are you going to attach it to the shovel?
With this fine wire. Could probably just twist it. A little awkward. I can't take credit for this design. I copied it from Instagram. but it seems like it would work pretty good. So let's try it out.